Assalamu alaikum. I'm the teacher of Oxford English Medium School and College, and I'm the admin of Agunji Spoken English. Okay, let's start where I use do and does. Okay, then here is positive and negative. Then I do and negative I don't. We do. We don't. You do, you don't. And this is the three section: he, she, it. This is a totally different. He does, he doesn't, and she also same. It does and doesn't. But here is the they. They is a plural, that's why here is a do and don't. Okay, আপনাদের যদি এই ভিডিওটা কোনো উপকার এসে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমার আগামী স্পোকেন ইংলিশে লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার করে